Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you could join me. We're going to talk about mind mapping. This is a fantastic strategy for brainstorming ideas, generating details, and organizing it all so that you could come up with a fantastic paper. So let's get started. When you look at a finished mind map, you see it's very rich in detail, all these connections. It can seem a little overwhelming, but they're actually quite simple to do, and they actually help you get to this rich thinking. So the first step is starting with a question or an issue that's at the heart of what you're exploring. Once you've identified what's at the core of what you want to do, then you start brainstorming about big questions and big ideas about that topic. You could answer questions like who or what, where, why, how. Next, now that you've got the big ideas, is you'll work hierarchically and move from these more general ideas to more specific ideas, such as supporting ideas or supporting details. Now you could focus on one idea at a time to generate supporting details. You could do it in any order, or you could just brainstorm all the details and connect them up later. Now that you've got your supporting details, this is where you start thinking about the patterns. You'll start grouping your bubbles together. So you'll draw arrows between the main ideas and how they connect to the topic you're exploring, and how the supporting details are connected with each idea. As you're looking at it, you might see some patterns. You might notice something that idea one reflects the causes of this issue. And to help you when you move to the drafting process, you'll just put a note that idea one refers to causes. Idea two might reflect the different contexts that are important for the topic and issue that you're exploring. You may also notice that the supporting details you came up with might all be examples of idea two or the context. So you'll fill that out, and as you step back, you'll see that you have rich details connected to ideas that make logical sense and are all connected to the topic you're exploring. Mind maps can be done on just a piece of paper with colored pencils or a marker, or you could use software such as MindMeister, Lucidchart, MindGenius, or Coggle. There are other software packages available that you can use. Lucidchart connects with Google Docs, but they all have free versions that you can use. So now's the time to get brainstorming and get cracking on that paper. Happy brainstorming.